Want to transform your income and start earning more without waiting years for a promotion? What if I told you that a few powerful skills could change your financial future? In this video, I'll show you the most in-demand high-income skills and proven passive income strategies that can help you achieve financial freedom. Stay with me till the end for a step-by-step game plan to take action. Transform your income, high-income skills, and passive wealth strategies. A high-income skill is a specialized ability that helps you earn $100,000 or more per year. These skills don't require a degree, just expertise, practice, and smart strategies. So, what are the top high-income skills in 2025? Sales drive every business. Whether it's closing deals, affiliate marketing, or social media ads, mastering sales means mastering money. Top marketers make 6 to 7 figures annually. If you can write persuasively, you can sell anything. Websites, ads, and social media all need great copy. And with AI tools like ChatGPT, it's easier than ever to start. In today's digital world, coding, web design, and AI automation are highly paid skills. Companies need experts who can build and maintain technology. If you have knowledge in a specific field, finance, health, business, you can coach others and charge premium rates. People pay thousands for expert advice. Now let's see how to turn these high-income skills into long-term wealth. Passive income means earning money even when you're not working. Let's explore the best strategies to build wealth while you sleep. Imagine making money just for owning shares in a company. Dividend stocks pay you every few months, and over time, this income can replace your salary. Owning property is one of the oldest wealth-building methods. Even if you don't have money up front, you can start with REITs, which are real estate investment trusts. Create an online course, ebook, or AI-generated content once, and sell it forever. This is how people make $10,000 or more per month without doing extra work. YouTubers earn money through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Even a small channel can generate thousands per month with the right strategy. Want to combine high-income skills with passive income? Here's the ultimate wealth-building game plan. To reach financial freedom, follow these steps. Pick one skill: sales, copywriting, coding, and focus on becoming an expert. Offer services, freelance, or build a business. Use your active income to invest in stocks, real estate, online businesses like Forex, crypto, or stock trading. Once your income streams are set up, automate them using AI tools and smart investments trading system, like automated trading robots. This is how the rich build real wealth. If you want to start crypto, Forex, or stock trading with a safe automated trading AI robot, I'll put the link in the description. For other inquiry, comment below. Success takes time, but if you start today, your future self will thank you. Now that you know how to transform your income, which high-income skill will you start with? If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more wealth-building strategies.